So I should bring an umbrella then. There. Okay, well, I'll bring my umbrella then. Okay, do I get to it through the restaurant or that way? Okay. Or the pool area. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yes, I need my umbrella. And they are also doing shuttles. From there to
How are they going to do a shuttle? Is that a covered shuttle or what?
I don't know. How far?
Hello, this is your friend Ananzil Santiago yet one more time. We are now, as you can see, in the Hawk Lodge in beautiful Vermont. My wife Lori, my beautiful wife, is over there and she has just baked my suit. So we are now able to go back to the party and have a lovely time. Honey, come show them. Here is my baby. She's very sexy. Bye-bye.
Bye.